Here it comes.
In the upper 20s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly cloudy.
Any minute.
Thursday and highs in the lower 60s.
Here it is.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch. South winds 10 to 15, effective at sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Mid 85 knot. West wind 10 to 15. Afternoon clear after midnight. The thunderstorm watch means that as it rains, sudden damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A cluster brief
Has been issued. Something new's been issued. Whoops.
more showers.
Providence.
In Rhode Island until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Charlton to Thompson to their Tillingly, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Charlton to Thompson to their Tillingly, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Smithfield, Grafton, Killingly, Webster, Southbridge, Albany, Burteville, Northbridge.
Tornado warning!
Ends 11:20.
Please don't take this down.
Just a week ago, crew at my house, and we
Don't take this down.
John Schaefer, who normally does the show when we finally.
Don't take this down.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for eastern wind.
Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for eastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, central Providence County in Rhode Island. Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Foster, 47 miles northwest of Coventry, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Situate around 5:05 p.m. National Weather Service at 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island. North Smithfield around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This
County in Rhode Island, northern Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
so
Pawtucket and Seekonk around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Here we go.
Hazards include tornado. Miles per hour. And vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cranston around 5. Damage to roof.
feel to me.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cranston around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard. Flood will be dangerous.
My mortgage.
Eastern Standard Time.
Compares monthly.
One simple.
Files 400 mega.
And I'm French. Upsets from stream.com/.
One day.
VR or what is it? SVR. What is it this for? What is this for? Norfolk! Norfolk! I'm in this!
Severe thunderstorm warning for Norfolk, eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County, and central Massachusetts.
Uh-oh. New SVR.
Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts. Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern
Here's
Standard
the
Time.
tornado warning.
At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending. The National Weather Service in Boston issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, eastern Providence County in Rhode Island until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Sutton to North Smithfield to near Providence, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny size. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brockton, Cranston, Pawtucket, Framingham, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Cumberland, Natick, North Providence, Franklin, Needham, Johnston, North Attleboro, Norwood, Milford, and Wellesley. Or destroyed. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
What happened? WWLI goes silent or something? It didn't happen before then.
Nous allons encore.
Oh.
And get out there. Call us.
I'm in a tornado warning. Oh no! Oh no, this is bad. This is really bad. New station found. Is this using KEC 73 or WXJ39?
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a warning for South Central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts. It was located over Putnam, moving east at 40 miles.
They stated
And this kind of speaks.
Leipzig P.
Hold us around.
The post cereal box. We'll start things off next with a guy who was a
WCLX.
The National Weather Service.
Stories that about
Damage to roof. Is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cumberland, North Attleboro, Seacom, and Plainville around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Attleboro and Rehoboth around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
See?
really very. The 5 Sunday.
Coastal waters south of Martha's Vineyard.
On your own.
Brunch because we can pray.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, at Eastern Standard Time.
Learn more.
These detail galaxy and
Seacom in Plainville around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Attleboro and Rehoboth around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dayton around 5:40 p.m.
Where'd the remote go? WWDP. WMFP. WHDH. Oh. Norfolk. Tornado possible.
Southern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County,
Essex.
central Bristol County.
Kids. We can't.
Can't avoid the delay. For you.
You order a new vehicle. Dukes.
Nantucket Sound and Great Point.
Wait a minute. This one's for Barnstable.
Until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:07. Damage 4 destroyed. Damage is likely. Standard. Around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hyannis,